won't stop turning. So take me on.
Hey everyone, my Planner Society kit recently arrived and I'm really excited because Christy said that this was one of her favorite kits ever. Just like before, I would love for you to vote in the comments down below how you want me to use this Planner Society kit in my Happy Planner in an upcoming video. Previously, people have voted for dashboards, pockets, weekly layouts, monthly layouts, etc. So please leave your ideas in the comments down below.
I know we're acting stupid, being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish.
This is a mini backpack style clutch and it has a pocket on the front. You could probably even fit washi in here and maybe pens in here for planning on the go, and I think this could probably even fit inside of a purse. But I saw this idea on Christy's Instagram account. She used this rainbow charm, which is so cute, and she attached it on the side here. So adorable. I love this. I'm also wondering if this can be attached to a happy planner somehow. Okay, there you go. That's cute. Second, we have a ballpoint pen that has a flower print and beautiful bronze gems. I really like to display Planner Society pens in my planner cart because I just think that they are so pretty. This is a planner clip, which is a rainbow patch on one of these larger paper clips, which I think are so cute to use in a planner. Next, we have the washi, which has this gorgeous floral pattern with bronze accents. Then we have this freebie that she threw in again just like last month. It's a hair scrunchie with a floral pattern. I think she has included these before, but this is my first kit with this. They are flowers that are made out of felt that come with adhesive rhinestones. So you could layer these onto scrapbook paper or the note cards that she usually includes and create a really cute dashboard. And by the way, I love it when the backers to the products are really cute because I feel like I could just punch out a full box out of this pattern and use it in my happy planner. There is a rainbow sticky note pad, and behind that is a to-do list sticky note pad. It says daily checklist and it has a box for your top 3 focuses of the day and then the rest of the items on your to-do list. I love it when she includes things that are very functional in her kits, and I feel like I could definitely get some use out of this. Here are some die cuts. These are very pretty and they have peel away sticker backing, so you could just adhere them onto a card. I could definitely use this to make some sort of dashboard for a planner.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how you.
Here are more die cuts. She said that this kit had a lot of nude summer beach vibes because of the color scheme here. Definitely a lot of rainbows. It's very cute.
Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one.
I think this is her first time where she included prints on the glitter edges and bows. These I think are the mini size and of the edges and the mini size of the bows, which is nice because I feel like this size works a lot better to be used as a header in the Happy Planner weekly spread. And I like how it comes in 2 different sizes on here.
Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you. Here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me.
Here are the stickers. I think that the Planner Girls are beautiful this month. Also, there are a variety of metals in this kit, gold and silver, but with an emphasis on the bronze foil detailing as we see in these stickers here.
You know, I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow.
I really like it when she includes these little boxes because they are very useful for kind of drawing attention to maybe appointments or other tasks that are important and you want to really emphasize on your planner page.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which.
Here are more of those stick-on tabs that have been included, I think, in the last 3 kits. These are very useful and I'm really glad that she includes them. And it comes with all of these labels. These can be used to maybe make a page keeper in your planner, so you could have this to poking out at the top of your planner to show that this is where the current month is or the current week is. If you punch holes in the side here, you can also use it to create tabs on the side for different sections in your planner. And this is the scrapbook paper. We have this floral print, rainbow print. You can use scrapbook paper in a sidebar, for full boxes, for headers, to make dashboards, or to recycle old dividers, etc. I have been loving these lace cardstock sheets that she has been including in the last, I think, 3 kits. I have been cutting off the lace edge and using it as a border on either the spread in my planner or on my monthly list. Oh wow, this is so cool. And that is the May Planner Society kit. So go ahead and vote down below for how you want to see me use this in my Happy Planner. We don't have to do the same thing that we did before. Maybe you want to see me decorate a currently page in my planner or just create some sort of functional item for my planner. I don't know. You guys are creative, so come up with something and leave it down below. And I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!